Okay, so this video is going to just be about customizing your toolbars. As you can see, my toolbars look quite a bit different than maybe yours, or obviously how the program comes default. I'm sure you've seen other users like Renee Rabbit, his toolbars are even crazier than mine. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a few toolbars that I like to use that make my workflow faster, and I'll show you how to try to create some of these custom toolbars up here, and you can make them yourself. So we'll start by drawing a room. And I have a few here. These are all bedrooms, all different common bedrooms. So living room, dining room, laundry, things like that. So all I have to do is click this toolbar and I can name a room. That's simple. And if I split a room, it's going to be 2 bedrooms. I can say, oh, this is the closet. Very, very quick way to do it. I enjoy doing that. So there you go. So let's say we can add a window, and we'll go into 3D just so you can see how this works for me. So we have a normal double hung, maybe single hung window here, and say you want to get rid of the casing. So I have a few tools here that I've created, and this is like get rid of exterior casing, and that's all you have to do. Really quick. Say I want lights everywhere, I can change it to lights. I can go back to a fixed glass, and if I want to add the casing back, I can as well. Pretty simple. Some other tools I have a common stove. This is I don't even remember, 2.5-foot stove, common stove. If you have a fridge, I have a range hood, quick things. You have a cabinet, you can throw your dishwasher in real quick. You have a hot water heater, things like that. I keep my toilets and tubs up here just for quick placement. And it's just really, really fast how you can just change things around using all these different toolbars that you can create. This one I actually think is from Renee Rabbit, but you want to make it a wine fridge, you can do just that. And all this is just being placed really, really quickly. I use different hotkeys for cabinets, so I can quickly just throw a cabinet in, throw a wall cabinet in, just like that. So now creating these toolbars, that's the thing that a lot of people get stuck on. This is the same, I believe, all the way a lot of versions ago. Works in X15, X16 for sure. So you want to go to your customized toolbars, and from here, if you search place library objects, if I could spell that. Okay, we'll move that down. It will just drag this to my toolbar. And we can X out of that. So you'll have this little 2 books with an L. The first time you click it, it's going to give you all of this. So you go to your library and say you want a toilet. Let's just go with a toilet. Find one really weird one. Okay, here you have your images. Because I use dark mode, I use obviously the white icons. If your screen's lighter, especially on a Windows, you could use the other icon. The other thing you can do is if you hit browse, if you've created your own image, you can do that. All of these room names and labels at the top here, I created. I believe in Photoshop, saved them really small and used those. So from there you just click OK. And now you have this toolbar. You can just click it and put it in. It's just pretty easy. If you want to create, I believe it's style painters. Let's say we open a room and we call it we'll just do bathroom to make it easy. From there you can right click this room, add object to style palette. We'll create a new one. We'll name it bath copy because I already have one bath. Then you can set the properties. These are all the properties for the room. So say you want to do the name, like I have, where you click it and it changes the name. You can change everything, how you have the flooring and everything. Then you click it and you save it. So it's right here called bath copy. Same thing. You customize the toolbar. You go to place library object, like that. Then you click it first time, library. You can search your bath copy. I'll just go in my user catalog to do it. We'll go to bath copy. And then this is obviously doesn't have really, you made it just now, so there's not a good default image or default icon. We'll just use this one. You can create your own. And there you have your sprayer. And you can just click. And it's now a bath. Well, I guess it was already a bath. So let's make another room. and you have your stop outlet, which makes it a bath. Past that, that is pretty much it. Very, very simple. I have some electrical, like exhaust fan with light. I keep my recessed here because they're quicker to get to. These are shower tools and bath tools, which are really convenient. I believe you can buy those on Renee Rabbit's website. Pretty affordable, really easy, really easy to build bathrooms very quickly with that. I'm sure he has a video of that on his YouTube. Trying to think. So I have sinks here, different things, different materials, different trees. Usually for site plans, if I'm doing CAD. I have property line tools, setback line tools, and this just helps everything go a lot smoother. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks.